To track Google Analytics e-commerce tracking, you need to set up an e-commerce account and enable e-commerce tracking in your Google Analytics account. Start by logging into your Google Analytics account and navigating to the Admin section. In the Admin section, select the view for which you want to enable e-commerce tracking and click on E-commerce Settings. Enable e-commerce and select the currency you want to use for your transactions. Next, you need to set up the data layer on your website, which is a JavaScript object that stores customer interaction data. You can use Google Tag Manager to set up the data layer, or you can manually add the code to your website. To track transactions, you need to send transaction data to Google Analytics using the e-commerce tracking code. This code is typically placed on the thank you page after a customer completes a purchase. The code sends data such as the transaction ID, revenue, and product information to Google Analytics. To implement e-commerce tracking, you can use the Google Analytics e-commerce tracking code or use a third-party library such as the Google Analytics e-commerce plugin for your content management system. Make sure to test your e-commerce tracking setup using the Google Analytics debugger to ensure that data is being sent correctly. Best practices for e-commerce tracking include setting up goals and funnels to track the conversion process, using enhanced e-commerce tracking to track product impressions and clicks, and using the data layer to track custom events and variables. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively track e-commerce transactions and gain insights into customer behavior on your website. Key concepts to keep in mind include the data layer, transaction tracking, and goal setup. The data layer is the foundation of e-commerce tracking, and it is essential to set it up correctly. Transaction tracking is used to send data to Google Analytics, and goal setup is used to track the conversion process. By understanding these concepts and following the steps outlined in this guide, you can get the most out of Google Analytics e-commerce tracking and make data-driven decisions to improve your online store.